can't bully the way me feel. I fight for you and you fight for me. Them can't stop the way them wish and them hope and them fight and them pray. Them can't stop this warrior love. Living in a house with a bed and a broke down fridge. I was there, I make up the cabbage.
Hello guys, so I never planned on doing a voiceover, but you know what, let's just jump straight in. And I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal, this is in the shade Fawn, to go ahead and prime my eyes so we can have a nice even canvas. I'm now taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to go ahead and set that concealer that I placed on my lid just now. Taking the Juvias Place Zulu eyeshadow palette, I'm going in with this matte canary yellow. This is a pretty matte yellow shade. Obviously you can see that. I'm just gonna build this up to my liking. Followed by that, I'm going in with this matte pecan shade, and I wasn't liking how the blend was looking with this brush, so I ended up changing the brush to get a different blend, and I was more satisfied using this brush. The same palette, I'm taking this matte electric purple and I'm just building it up and adding as I go along until I got the intensity that I desired. Taking some regular Kleanacolor concealer to cut my crease, and I'm telling you, cutting my crease has become an absolute pain in the ass. I no longer know what I'm doing. It's just never right. I don't know, I used to cut my crease so well, and now it's just like a struggle for me. What do you guys think? After cutting my crease, I'm taking this Real Techniques brush to just buff that in and get the excess concealer off, and I'm going in with that purple shade just to, you know, smooth my edges out. And I'll be taking the Juvias Place Magic palette, and I'm going in with this really pretty shade, and it's called Faso or Faso, one of them. I don't know if I'm saying it right. If I'm not saying it correct, you could just go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Yeah, and I'm just applying this, and I'm gonna take some more of that purple to go on the outer V so we can have that nice and blended. I'm taking this Jaclyn Hill palette at this moment, and I'm going in with that deep purple shade there just to add some, you know, intensity. I don't remember the name of that shadow, but I'll have it listed down below in the description bar. I'll be taking the Maybeline Master Ink liner. This is a matte eyeliner in the color black. Obviously it's almost done. I'm running out of that eyeliner, but I'm just gonna line the top part of my lashes. I don't know what you call that part. Anyway, I'm taking the Master Drama liner just to run this along my waterline, and I'm taking some cheap Kleanacolor Mascara. Yes, it gets the job done and it lasts all day, trust me. It's almost done as well. New makeup needed. So I'm just gonna complete my eyes. Well, almost complete them using the same matte electric purple shadow to go on my lash line, okay? Okay. Intensify this look. I'm going in with my Mink lashes. And I've worn these maybe like 5 or 6 times. So obviously they aren't new, but you know I love them. So hey. Finishing the eyes by adding mascara to my bottom lashes. I don't even know what lipstick or lip gloss I used, but I know that I'll have the names in the description bar down below. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you did like this look, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, comment down below and tell me what you think. I really appreciate your feedback, and stay tuned for my next upload. Mwah!
Can we just talk? Can we just talk?